was all finally complete after I think 2.5 months or something, 3 months maybe. But I also had to do the inside. That'd be a separate video where I did the sauna inside the building. Just giving a quick walk through here. Everything that was done. So you can see all the soffit completed, trimmed. There's, didn't show up, but there's, it's hard to see. There's 3/4 inch. You see the 3/4 inch trim here, but all around. That goes everywhere. Some electrical work that was done here, electric heaters. This was all completed, and actually ended up, just because I didn't like the look of those really rough sawn, so I ended up planing and finishing all the beams, which was a huge chore. I like the look of it. It's under this finished area, so it should be fine. I ended up staining it the same way. The posts were all finished, stained. Actually, the original plans came to cover all the posts and the beams with cedar. I ended up just leaving them rough this way because I kind of like the this rough look of the exposed brackets, so we did. But I said everything else is finished off here. All around here. Overhang is for the sauna. This would be another project I started working on. Was grass couldn't grow anywhere on here, so I'm going to end up putting artificial turf around here. So I ended up putting these concrete blocks. Okay, I made my own 3x5 pavers here, so they'll be artificial up against the garden here, and then all around there. It's kind of hard. It's in the sun right now. You see the door was all stained. That was another set of work. Electric's all set up in here, so interior lights, and then the it's hard to see here with there's lights separate for the interior and the exterior, just in case you're doing anything different. Haven't put a fan in yet, but I'll put the fan, and then the heaters are set up on timers. Probably make another video of that. Showing these are dual, I wanted to be able to switch them off, so they always be off, and good having a timer so that they never can't be accidentally left on, and they're dual element, so you can actually control the elements separately. Again, that'll be a separate video, but these are these infrared heaters up there with a dual element. And another video will be the creating this sauna. So I ended up putting a wall here, some extra storage up for cushions. So I ended up putting this wall outside, and then finishing the inside here as a sauna. So again, this is a whole nother video. So it took a long time doing this. Had a gap in between the filming. But it's able to use a lot of the extra panels. So this is the tongue and groove look of the soffit, and the opposite side is what looks like the siding. So I had almost 3/4 of this room up from the ground up. Was able to do it, and then some of the extra pieces that I didn't use for the wrapping the posts and the beams, ended up milling them myself just to match this. Wasn't too hard to match. We ended up doing that. So that's all that, and then so that this is all pieces that I was able to use that I didn't end up using for the post and the beam. The door separate. That was I had to get some 2x4 cedar come together. Anyways, just for the regular build, it's all done here. That was pretty much it that I didn't show. Again, finishing these off. Everything else was shown in the videos. So it was a great learning experience. Also a lot of fun, a lot of work too. I was exhausted from it. This video just decided to do it at night just to kind of show a little bit how everything lights up pretty well. As you can see, the heaters are running. Putting off pretty nice heat here. They cover, it's hard to tell, but they cover off at about 30 degrees or so here. So directly under it, and then at about, I can feel it's about the midway point here. And I can feel on this side as well. So they cover up, and then same thing out to the edges here.